Have you been DIYing your SEO and finding things a little bit chaotic to try and keep track of and keep organized? Well, if that sounds like you, I'm about to give you your ticket to clearing that chaos. If we haven't met yet, my name is Meg. I'm the founder of Floating Lotus Design, and I am a Squarespace web designer and SEO specialist. Now, if you caught my most recent video, you know that I am now offering standalone SEO services. And those clients get some really nice templates included in those services. But one if done for you one-on-one services just isn't in your plans or your budget right now. But you'd still like to be able to get some great SEO tips and be able to plan and organize your SEO efforts better. Well, I'm really excited to share with you that I have launched my digital product shop, and I'm offering 2 SEO templates based on those that I use with my clients, and you can get them for under $20. In fact, one of them is less than $10. So let me tell you more about them. First up, to help you get a handle on your Squarespace SEO and blogging, we have my blogging template, checklist, and planner. You get both a Google Doc version as well as a Notion version. In the Google Doc version, it's one page with a checklist and tips for how to properly manage your SEO, all the key things that you need to remember and components that you need to include, as well as an outline of a well-structured blog. And I also include a list of resources that can help you as you move through your blogging journey, things from help you with keyword research to writing your content, anything you might possibly need along the way. But if you want to take it up a notch and move to Notion, and the Notion template gives you everything that the Google Doc does, but in a highly customizable format and with planner functionality. So you'll not only get a checklist built into each individual blog, you'll also get views for tracking the progress of your blog and planning your blog. So there's a calendar view so you can schedule and move around and see your planning for your blog content all in one spot. And again, the beauty of this is you don't have to choose which one. You get both the Google Doc and the Notion template when you purchase. So try them both and use the one that works best for you. And a second template is also a great standalone template, but does complement the blog post template as well. And this is my keyword vault and metrics tracker. And this template, you get the option of both a Google Sheet and a Notion template as well. You can store your keyword research data and track the performance metrics of your keywords, your pages that you've optimized for those keywords, and you do that all in one place and get a snapshot of how things are doing as you implement and monitor your SEO strategy. Now, my main goal with both of these templates is to make things as simple and easy for you as possible. Don't try to overcomplicate anything. You want to make something that you find easy to use on a repeatable basis. Now you may be asking, Megan, is this just for Squarespace users? And I'm happy to say that, well, no, it's not. You don't have to be a Squarespace user to make use of these templates. Now, I will say that on the blogging templates, there are some things on that checklist that are geared towards Squarespace and some tips that are geared towards Squarespace. But if you're not a Squarespace user, you can just remove those items or modify them to work for the platform that you're blogging on. But the basic SEO principles still apply, and that's what these templates are built out for. So if you are a Squarespace user, yeah, there's going to be a few little extra tips and resources in there for you, but if you're not, you'll still be able to jump in and use these templates with ease. So I hope you'll check them out. And because I am so excited to finally be offering digital products and being able to roll them out to you now, right before the holiday season, I am running a product launch special on my digital shop. So you want to check out the link in my description. And that special is running through the end of this year. So be sure to check them out and see if these are be a great fit for what you need and help you get your SEO started on the right foot in the new year. Thanks so much.